How many different screen protectors would you need to keep in stock to cover every smartphone that comes into your shop?
The answer is simple: too many.
With the wrapped X-Cut 11-inch or the wrapped X-Cut XL 13-inch, you start with a standard sheet and create a custom cut protector for smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and other devices in just minutes.
In this video, we'll show you how to set up the plotter, select the correct template, cut the film, and apply the screen protector.
We will also cover the most common mistakes to avoid so you can achieve a precise cut, a clean installation, and a protector that does not lift when the case is fitted.
Inside the kit, you will find the wrap plotter, the power supply and the cable, a non-slip mat, an application squeegee, heated soft spudgers, and a spare blade. The non-slip mat keeps the device stable while you work. The squeegee helps you apply the protector evenly, reducing the risk of bubbles and other imperfections. The heated soft spudgers help you lay the film down in the areas where the squeegee struggles, such as the edges and the other corners. Before switching on the machine, let us look at one of its most important components, the blade holder.
To remove the blade holder, release it from its mounting. Press the button at the top. The blade will move out far enough for you to carefully hold it between your fingers. To install a new blade, keep the same button pressed and insert the blade through the opening at the bottom. The internal magnet will put it into the correct position. Release the button and reinstall the blade holder. At the top of the holder, there is a numbered adjustment ring from 1 to 9. The higher the number, the deeper the blade will cut.
Connect the plotter to the power supply and switch it on. During initial setup, select your preferred language and connect the machine to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. From the software, you can access several device categories, including smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and gaming consoles. To find a device, select the brand and model, or use the search bar directly.
After selecting the device model, the software may display several available templates. The full template covers a larger area and is suitable when the phone case does not interfere with the edges of the protector. The with cover or with shell template is slightly smaller. This reduces the risk of the case touching the protector and lifting its edges. Slightly different dimensions and even a difference of a few millimeters can affect the installation. For matte or privacy films, select the matte or frosted template. These options are designed to keep the front-facing camera area uncovered. For some devices, the software also includes rear protection templates with different layouts for the edges, camera system, and logo.
Take a film sheet and insert it into the plotter with the customized side or the side displaying the logo facing upwards. Push the sheet forward until it covers the sensor. The machine will automatically grip the material and move it to the correct starting position. Before starting the cut, check the pressure rollers. There are 4 on the X-Cut and 5 on the X-Cut XL. They should be evenly distributed and must hold the film securely. Do not skip this check if the rollers are incorrectly positioned or do not apply enough pressure, and the cut will be inaccurate.
Select the required template and start the cutting process. The plotter will move the film forwards and backwards while the blade follows the outline of the device. It will also create the necessary openings for cameras and sensors. The blade must cut through the required film layers without cutting completely through the backing sheet. If the cut is too light, separating the template will be difficult. If it is too deep, it may damage the film backing and the silicone cutting surface underneath. Once the process is complete, the sheet comes out already released. Take it from the plotter and peel away the excess material. Before installing the protector, the display must be completely clean. Place the smartphone on the non-slip mat and use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol or a cleaning product specifically designed for display. Unsuitable cleaning products may leave residue and reduce the adhesion of the film. Clean the entire display carefully, dry it, and inspect it under the direct light. Pay particular attention to the edges, earpiece, and front-facing camera area. There should be no dust, fingerprints, or cleaning residue left on the surface.
With our film protector, the entire surface area is adhesive. This means the initial alignment requires particular attention. Position the protector over the display and check that it is centered correctly. Make sure all the openings are aligned with the camera and sensors. Lift the required backing layer and begin applying the film with the squeegee. Work from the center towards the outside using a smooth, continuous movement. For the trickier areas such as the edges and corners, use the heated soft spudgers to help the film settle.
Try not to stop halfway through the movement. Stopping suddenly or changing the pressure applied by the squeegee can trap air under the film and create bubbles that are more difficult to remove. Once the application is complete, remove the upper protective layer. Check the surface, the edges, the corners, and the areas around the cameras. If small bubbles or imperfections are there, it will go away in 24 hours. Finally, fit the phone case and check that it does not touch or lift the protector. The finished installation should be even, correctly centered, and compatible with the customer's device and case.
With Wrapped, you can create a custom cut protection whenever you need it, without keeping a separate screen protector in stock for every device model.
The machines perform the cut, but the final quality still depends on 3 things: choosing the correct template, preparing the display properly, and applying the film with precision.
Follow the recommended settings, check each step, and always test the protector with the customer's phone case.
This is how you achieve a clean, reliable, and professional installation.
If you have any questions about the machines or the films, feel free to reach out through our support channel or to your assigned sales rep.
For more repair tutorials, technical guides, and product demonstrations, subscribe to MobileCentric's channel.